What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. You guys asked for it. The 2025 Mustang Darkhorse. You guys wanted to see the outside and the inside, and we're going to go over this white one with the black graphics. First off, let's go over the outside. All right, starting out back, we have the quad tip exhaust, and it is the active exhaust where you have like sport mode. You can turn it and make it different noises. It has the LEDs on the back. They are sequential. That means they go doop, 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 doop on both sides. Coming out front, we have the hood scoop. Very nice, very nice. You have the Darkhorse front. You have a lower front fascia. You have the all black grille. This is actually a matte black, the pony. You have the LED headlights as well. This one does not have fog lights on it. For brakes, we have the Brembos. The rear tires are the 315/30 ZR19. I think the fronts are the same size. You also have the Brembos on the front, and they are the 305/30 ZR19. Very, very pretty car. You also have the rear spoiler. Inside, you have a full display. Goes all the way across. You have your start button. This one is the manual transmission. Okay. Look at that. You get your Darkhorse logo. Has the bucket seats. These are kind of a blue color with blue stitching. Same thing, black seats. Now what's really cool on this instrument, let me go ahead and start this thing before you push the clutch in. Oh, listen to that thing purr. Yeah, the horse logo. Fuel level almost empty. See the gauges? This is throwback. This is a throwback. Man, that AC feels good. So these are the old school gauges, all right? And let's go see if we can go into our settings here. There's your cylinder head temp, your engine oil temperature, your axle temperature, your oil pressure, your inlet air temp, air fuel ratio, vacuum, and voltage. Here's your driver assistance. There's my trip 1. All right, so if you come over here, we hit mode. Let's go down. You got custom mode 1. Then you have normal mode. I like the display, that's really cool. And then you have sport mode, track mode, drag strip mode, slippery mode, and then back to custom. Yes, my fuel level is low. Okay. So if you come over here to the touch screen, you can hit My Mustang. You got track apps, auxiliary gauges, custom mode, your color, which means you can change the color inside, and we can go to cluster theme. So match drive mode, you got normal, sport, track, calm, classic 67, 68. This is the 99 to 01 Cobra. Let's go 67, 68. Look at that. I had a 68 Mustang and a 65 fastback. Fox body, calm, right there dead center, track, see the RPMs moving, RPMs, sport, RPMs are over here. Normal. There's your normal gauges. What are you? I don't know what that is. There's so many buttons in here. So many buttons. And I know a lot of you guys wanted to see it. It is equipped with the 5.0 liter Coyote engine. It has dual throttle bodies, dual air boxes. This is a beautiful, beautiful engine. Beautiful. So that's the power plant on this thing. 5.0 dual throttle body. Darkhorse. There's your hood scoop. Okay. 2025 model. Now, I know some of you were going to ask me if we can go for a drive. So we'll go for around the parking lot. You know, I may just take it up the road right quick. That's fine. Let me get my seatbelt. I'll just go up the road for a second and come right back. And I'm not putting it in any track mode or anything like that. I think I have this sold to one of you guys. I'm not quite sure or remember which one it is, but if that falls through, if one of you guys want to purchase this this beautiful Mustang Darkhorse, you can contact me in email and I will show you how to get it. And you can make this car yours and you'll have proof that I drove it. The throttle is very, very touchy. It's responsive. I like the steering wheel. It's got a race feel to it. Stitched. Everything is stitched, hand stitched. You have your e-brake here. I know the GT350 has a button where you can do drift mode. It's very, 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 very touchy. And this thing handles like a dream. You know what? We'll put it in sport mode. I'm not going to put it in track, but we'll put it in sport. There, now it's in sport. Well, the screen is. There, it's in sport mode now. As soon as this light turns green, we'll mess around with it for a second. Car behind me. And I'm not going to be hard on it. It's a brand new car. Like I said, I do believe somebody bought this. If you've never driven one of these, I recommend you guys go drive one. They are super fun to drive. Beautiful car. It's my favorite car. The Mustang is anyway, GT. This light takes forever. We'll go right up here the road. We'll go turn around, come back. Come on, light. I like the gauges. I like how you can customize the gauges. I really like this whole screen. It's end to end. Come on. The brakes are touchy too. So usually there's not this much traffic. Of course it is. After 4, okay, we got yellow light. It is after 4 o'clock, so. I'm barely touching the throttle. Barely touching. really feel that Magna Ride suspension. Come up here and turn around. You hear it blip? I didn't even touch it. It blips the throttle for you. I like that. Auto blip. And to put it in reverse, pull up, go over like you're going to first. It allows you to go over to reverse, so you don't accidentally put it in reverse. Okay, that's enough of that. I don't want to get in trouble, and I don't want to wreck this beautiful car, because it will get squirrely and they will get away from you. This car is built for a track. It's built to go cruise around town. You can even go pick up some groceries with it. I don't recommend it. There's not a whole lot of room in the trunk for groceries. It sounds great. Man, it sounds great. Whew. I may buy this car if you guys don't. If that other deal falls through, man, somebody come buy this car. But this is a performance car. Performance. One of the best cars ever built. So many customizations. You got the 6-speed manual transmission. You got sequential turn signals in the back and all LED. You got LED lights in the front. So many different customizations that you can do to this thing. It hand stitched. Everything's hand stitched. All that, everything. Console. And the clutch on this is so much better than it was on like the 18, 19, 20 models, where it was like you let out of it and it just kind of wants to go, but then it doesn't want to go. You barely let out of this one and it wants to go, like a GT350 does. It wants to move. So that's really good. Love the dual throttle bodies, the dual intake on the, that's a Charger behind me. I hope that's not a Trooper. No, it's not. On the 5.0 engine. Don't remember offhand how much horsepower this one has. I want to say it's like 550 or something like that, 560. It's plenty powerful. It'll throw you in the seat. So I'm going to get it back over to the dealer. And if you guys are interested in this very, very, very nice car, please feel free to drop a comment. Feel free to send me an email. I'll tell you where you can go to get it. And I will be here to shake your hand when you buy it and send you on your merry little way. And I'll give you one of the best salesmen that you can work with. So with that being said, I love you guys. And I will see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. It was fun. Thanks for going for a ride with me. I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.